Welcome back to the channel, PC builders and gamers. If you are tired of turning down your in-game settings or dealing with annoying frame drops right in the middle of a boss fight, you have clicked on the exact right video today. Today, we are diving deep into an absolute monster of a graphics card. I am talking about the highly anticipated MSI GeForce RTX 5070 12G Gaming Trio OC graphics card. NVIDIA has officially unleashed their next generation of gaming performance, and MSI has taken that raw power and wrapped it in one of their best custom cooling designs ever. Whether you are looking to dominate in competitive shooters, explore massive open-world RPGs in stunning 4K, or accelerate your creative workflow, this card is demanding your attention. Before we get into the benchmark expectations and the insane specs, I want to remind you that if you want to check the current pricing or pick up this exact GPU for your own rig, I have placed a direct Amazon link right at the top of the video description below. Prices fluctuate, so click that link to see the best deal available right now. Alright, let's talk about the absolute brain of this beast, the NVIDIA Blackwell architecture. For the graphics coprocessor, we're looking at the brand new NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070. The Blackwell architecture is a massive generational leap over the previous Ada Lovelace series. We're not just talking about a minor bump in frame rates, we're talking about entirely redesigned streaming multiprocessors, next-generation ray tracing cores, and ultra-advanced AI tensor cores. What does this mean for you sitting at your desktop? It means path-traced lighting in games that previously would have melted your system, now running smoother than ever. It means AI upscaling that looks completely native, giving you free performance without sacrificing visual clarity. But a powerful chip needs incredible memory to feed it data, and this is where the MSI RTX 5070 Gaming Trio OC truly flexes its muscles. This graphics card comes equipped with 12 gigabytes of the brand new GDDR7 graphics RAM. Yes, you heard me right, GDDR7. We have officially moved past GDDR6X. Operating on a 192-bit memory interface, this memory is blisteringly fast. To give you the exact numbers, we're looking at a jaw-dropping memory clock speed of 28.0 gigabits per second. This massive leap in memory bandwidth ensures that high-resolution textures load instantly. If you're gaming at high resolutions, memory bottlenecks are a thing of the past. Stuttering when you turn the camera quickly? Gone. Texture pop-in? History. This 12GB GDDR7 configuration gives you the headroom you need to max out the sliders in your game menus without fear. Now let's talk about pure, raw speed. MSI has given this specific model their OC or overclocked treatment right out of the box. You're getting an extreme performance GPU clock speed of 2625 MHz. You don't need to be a software tuning expert to get this performance. MSI has engineered the card to hit these massive boost clocks automatically. At 2625 MHz, this RTX 5070 chews through complex geometry and heavy particle effects. When you're in the heat of battle with explosions going off everywhere, that high clock speed ensures your minimum frame rates stay high, giving you that buttery smooth competitive edge. Of course, all that power generates heat, but MSI's Gaming Trio lineup is legendary for a reason. While NVIDIA provides the incredibly efficient Blackwell silicon, MSI provides the thermal armor. The Gaming Trio OC features a massive custom-designed heatsink paired with 3 ultra-efficient fans. These fans focus airflow directly onto the hottest components of the PCI Express interface card. It operates so quietly that even when you're pushing the card to its limits, your desktop remains incredibly stealthy. And when you're just browsing the web or watching YouTube, the fans stop completely, giving you a 0-decibel, perfectly silent experience. Let's move to the back of the card and talk about connectivity, because this is a huge selling point for future-proofing your desktop setup. The video output interfaces on the MSI RTX 5070 Gaming Trio OC are cutting-edge. It features 3 DisplayPort 2.1a connections and 1 HDMI 2.1b port. Why is DisplayPort 2.1a such a big deal? Because monitor technology is advancing rapidly. If you plan on buying a next-generation high refresh rate 4K or even an ultra-wide OLED monitor, Older DisplayPorts simply don't have the bandwidth to support the highest refresh rates without compressing the image. With DisplayPort 2.1a, you're entirely future-proofed. Speaking of resolution, this graphics card supports a maximum display resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels. That's true native 4K. While the RTX 5070 is easily the undisputed champion of high refresh rate 1440p gaming, this card has the architectural muscle in the GDDR7 memory speed to push incredible frame rates at full 4K. Whether you're playing competitive titles where you need 240 frames per second, or cinematic single-player games where visual fidelity is everything, this card delivers a premium, top-tier experience. So, who is this graphics card actually for? If you're currently sitting on a desktop with an RTX 3060, a 3070, or even a 4060, the jump to the RTX 5070 Gaming Trio OC is going to absolutely blow your mind. The combination of the new Blackwell architecture, the extreme 2625 MHz clock speeds, and the revolutionary 28.0 gigabits per second GDDR7 memory makes this one of the most compelling upgrades on the market today. It's a premium card built for gamers who care about quality, cooling, and uncompromising frame rates. Beyond gaming, if you're a content creator, a video editor, or an AI developer, this card is a workstation powerhouse. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 coprocessor handles complex 3D rendering, high-resolution video timeline scrubbing, and AI generation tasks with ease. It plugs right into any modern PCI Express slot on your desktop motherboard, making the physical upgrade process incredibly straightforward. In conclusion, the MSI RTX 5070 12G Gaming Trio OC is a masterpiece of modern PC hardware. MSI has taken the brilliant NVIDIA Blackwell architecture and elevated it with premium cooling, robust build quality, and extreme out-of-the-box performance. You're getting the latest DisplayPort 2.1a technology, blazing fast GDDR7 RAM, and the legendary reliability of the MSI Gaming Trio series. It's silent, it's deadly fast, and it looks incredible inside any PC case. If you're ready to completely transform your gaming experience and take your desktop to the absolute next level, don't wait. High-demand cards like this often go out of stock quickly. Click the Amazon link in the description below right now to check the current availability, see the latest pricing, and secure this powerhouse GPU for your own rig. Upgrading your graphics card is the single biggest improvement you can make to your PC, and this is the card to do it with. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, please smash that like button. It really helps out the channel. Drop a comment below and let me know what graphics card you're currently using and what game you're going to play first when you upgrade to the RTX 5070. And as always, make sure you're subscribed with notifications turned on so you never miss out on the latest PC hardware reviews and tech setups. Until next time, happy building and happy gaming.